Hi, so this is a tutorial video regarding how to set up your HP OfficeJET 3830. The first step is remove your printer from the packing, and the next step is remove the all the packaging material, like you can say the tapes are there and some cardboard stuff is there. So once you remove everything, take the power cord and insert it. There is a space at the back side of the printer, so I'll show you that. Now plug in here and plug the other part at the uh, electrical supply, and this tray is actually to put the pages so that we can print. Now switch on the printer. So because you are setting up your new printer, so it will take a while, so let it be ready, and there will be a number of steps which you have to follow so that you can finish the initial setup. Now just make sure you don't leave any part where you have to remove some things, so just do it. Now it says to change the language and the country, so you can select accordingly. Now the next thing it will ask is date, so you choose the date you are setting up. As we can see, it's for 26 September 2019. Now choose the time, so you have to set up it, and the time here is, I think it's 9 a.m. So I'm going to set up for the 9 a.m. So that is done. Now it says the cartridge jam, because it says remove any packaging from inside the printer. After all packaging is removed, turn the printer off and turn it on. And there is a little video regarding it. There is icon there, so it shows how we can remove it. So what we are going to do is we are going to open the front part where actually we insert the cartridges. I'll show you here. No, you can see this part. Once you open it, you can remove that packing material, and HP has supplied two ink cartridges, that is color and black. So we just have to actually remove it from the packaging and then we can insert it. Just put it in the right chamber, because for the color chamber it would be a colored one, for black and white it is black. So I'll show you here. Now we can clearly see that's the color cartridge I have put there. Yeah, make sure we remove the seals. If we put it with seal, it won't print at all, and there will be a cartridge jam. So we have to push it little bit. We just slide it first and push it little bit inside, and it just adjusts to the side. Now close the chamber. And the next step we are going to see on the screen, it says install ink cartridges. So now we have done that, and I'll play the video as well, because that says how we can do. So it tells everything in detail how we can open and do it. So that is a short video, and that's the way we can insert the cartridge. Now the next step is to load the paper. Automatically the printer will ask for that. Just put the papers in a paper tray and touch done. So once you put the paper, it will go for the next step. Now the next step is here. So you can see it will start printing automatically, because it's going to do the cartridge alignment. So printing and alignment page, so it's going to print now. Yeah, it can take a while, maybe it can take few seconds, and then it will print a paper. So what we have to do is we have to take this paper out and we have to open the top lid and we have to place it on the glass, that is actually the scanner. This whole process may take at least 15 to 20 minutes. So it's a first time setup. Once we do it properly, it's ready for use every day. So now that's the paper here. Open the top lid. Now place it there, keeping it on the right side. Now automatically the printer will actually go for scan and alignment. Now just press the OK button because you have placed the page there. So it's saying scanning the alignment paper. Now once it is done, it will say finish setup online. So it depends on like if you are using the internet and all. So for that what you have to do is you have to connect your printer to the your home Wi-Fi network. That Wi-Fi will give the internet connection to the printer. Although printer has its own Wi-Fi, but that is not for the internet, that is actually for your devices so that you can print from there. So that you can do as well. So once you finish the setup process. Now it says here you can do some manual setting as well. So once you press the manual setting, it's saying searching for wireless routers. So if you have a Wi-Fi connection, it will search for that. You just have to type in the pin number or the password, and once you do that it will connect itself. Now it's saying connecting. And this whole process can take some time. It gives the IP address, network name, MAC address and all. Now it says set up web service. Now here is the printer update option. So best is to install automatically so that your printer every time there is an update it will install itself and you don't have to worry about that. Now it says setup successful, so just press OK. After that it will send you an email where you can actually go and print it. Now once you can see it's going to print a last document in the end, and that document actually gives all the details about your printer. It gives detail about the email, like if you send a document on that email it will print automatically. Now this document you can see here, so that's for this printer. And now it says printer uses information, and if you are using it for home or for your personal use, so you can select the one you want and then just confirm it, and it says thank you for choosing HP, and then you will come up with the screen. So that's the actual screen which we want, and now we can do whatever we want. So it does the copy, scan, fax, and you can see there are buttons below as well, that is the first one and second, third, fourth, fifth. So all are like Wi-Fi direct password, and status of your ink in the cartridge. And if you want to do more settings you can scroll to the next page and you can do those settings as well. So this is the first and the initial setup you have to do. Once you finish it, your printer is ready. Now you just connect it with your mobile, your laptop or any other device using its printer's Wi-Fi. So just the next step will be like you just have to switch on the Wi-Fi and key in the pin number. So if you don't know the pin number, just watch my other video, and that will tell you how to find out the password so that you can use it on different devices. Thanks for watching.